variances, but we have mitigating measures though that are made available given the experience as yun lang sa kadamo isang tao, especially sa atong music festival. So one of those things nga ginawa naman is to make sure na mga schedules no, are planned properly and some of the activities are considering kung anong volume sa mga tao ng mga kanto. Wala na itong ginadungan ng mga activities na nag-attract sa damong tao.
So we're 100% ready na for the Magahan Festival?
Yeah, because we're starting in the next few hours. By 4 o'clock, we are actually officially starting our Magahan opening ceremony.
Thank you.
Some more questions?
Good afternoon. I'm Mariela from Daily Guardian. Saan na yung sinaserve ng mga VIPs na gina-expect aside sa mga artists?
As far as government officials concerned, why kami sa mag-invite considering parang wala na tapos sa election, I know everybody is so busy. So we did not in any way invite them VIPs programs. And so the usual thing is, I think there will be the regional director, some celebrities will be coming. Nag-inform us Amon that they're coming. So aside from those that will be joining the music fest, may harapin pa na celebrities coming in. Starting